Picture yourself in the 2022 Nissan Armada. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, third row seat, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.